Hello everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the July 2024 mystery kit, and I am so obsessed with this one. The more I look at it, the more I'm just like, oh, cute aggression, but for a kit. If you were looking for this collection, I would check out the buy sell trade group. If you sign up on the first when spots open again, it will be for a completely different set, though it will be exclusive art as per always. So let's go ahead and get into this month's mystery kit. Oh, she's so pretty. Let's give you a little zoom on in, and it is a fall farm cafe. So I wanted to like kind of lean heavy on the food. Jess obviously is the best, and this just turned out so stinking pretty. So let's go ahead and go through the ultimate kit, then we'll go through the mini kit, and then we'll go into the add-ons that will be available on the first on the website. So here are the good old full boxes. You got your drink, which could be cider with a donut on top that looks so yummy. You have your coffee as well as your pie and your honey or jam, and then some little like bundt cakes and cookies, as well as the farm sign, more donuts and bread and pumpkins, the cafe, as well as the apples there. So if you're wanting apple picking, that'd be perfect for that. Love these colors. They are really like muted and soft and perfect for fall. You have a bag with bread in it, as well as like an iced coffee, and then there's like the little jam with the sign of how much it costs, as well as the cafe menu. Just think this kit looks so pretty. I did pair it foil wise with matte bronze, but I also think this would be really pretty with rose or rose gold, copper, any of those foils, as well as like a brown. You have your extra box here, which would be perfect for a quote or just a more simple kind of cafe box. And then your boxes here, you have a tall box here with the person with the puppy, as well as the other skin tone options for the hand. And then you do have the doodles here as well. And then the extra sheet this month is some more fashion options. So you have the friends here that you could totally Frankenstein to match some friends that you are hanging with, or you just want some different vibes, as well as a gal here in a little like pumpkin cart, as well as another box here of a scene that'd be perfect for a quote. So that is the ultimate kit. And then let me show you the foil with it. It is the leaves foil, which is so pretty in the matte bronze. I think matte bronze really works for this because of the muted colors. And let me go ahead and show you the format in case you're not familiar with it. You have these 6 full boxes and header overlays, 2 pages of those, more than enough glitter headers, more than enough full boxes there. Then you do have your underlays, which are the leaf pattern. You have your icons and scripts, as well as the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the hole protectors, the deco, and the date numbers. So I think this is such a quintessential fun fall set, and I cannot wait to use it. I could probably use it in September or maybe even October as like an alt Halloween type set. I think this would be perfect, but still give that vibe. Or it could even be going into November, honestly. I think this also could work for that. It could work for any of the times, honestly. Let's go ahead into the mini here. In the mini, the more affordable option, we do have the full boxes, the same deco page, same glitter header page. This is the mini kit exclusive. All your labels and little things, your bottom washi extra box, and then you do have the fashion here, as well as the doodle. And then the freebie in the mini is always a little matte label sampler of sorts for the most part. So that is the mini kit. And then let me go ahead and show you the add-on options. There are quite a few. Been loving this. Y'all been loving this. So we love having the option to add all kinds of things on to make the kit just really pop. So first things first is we do have the label sampler, as well as label 2. It's a little bit of a darker orange, and label 3, which is more of like a reddish tone. So you could see all the different colors here. Lots of options. Then we're going to go into doodle. We have doodle 2, as well as ombre and pattern boxes. There is also fashion boxes in case you got the mini, or if you just want to get some ones that are like, you know, different skin tone hair color options. And I do have a gray hair in here as well. There is fam options. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Adorable, adorable, as well as the normal scribblers. So that is everything for this month. I am beyond obsessed. It's probably one of my favorite mystery kits of the year. I just think it is so well done and gorgeous. Next month is also a stunner, and I don't think I've specifically done an exclusive kit with the next month's theme. It's like so good though. I feel like it's just, everyone's gonna love it. So that's everything for this month. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the mystery. Again, if you're looking for it, I would definitely check out the Buy Sell Trade group on Facebook. And if you sign up next month, you'll get different art, but it'll always be exclusive and stunning. That is everything, and I will talk to you all in my next video.